Check, mic check. Good afternoon, everyone. Check, mic check. Good afternoon. In a bit, magsa-start po ang ating free Facebook Live seminar for this afternoon. In a bit, magsa-start free Facebook this afternoon. So, antay lang po tayo ng konting viewers and then magsa-start na po tayo ng ating seminar. So, antay lang po tayo ng konting magsa-start na po tayo ng ating seminar. After this seminar, you can drop down your questions or inquiry and I'll answer it after 7. So, ayun nga po. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala si Paulina Tana from Max and Chicks. And magsa-start po tayo ng ating Facebook Live seminar this afternoon. Study, Live, and Migrate to Australia. So, yung country po na i-seminar ko ngayon is Australia. As a student visa holder, so, why Australia? So, bakit nga ba Australia? So, here we have 4 factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. So, number 1, Australia is listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, uh, listed one of the highest salaries. So, ayan, nabibilong po ang Australia sa mga 4 na factors. So, best country siya para manirahan. May mga better job prospect, healthier food, and of course, listed one of the highest salaries. So, as a Filipino, yung hinahanap talaga natin is the mga facts is yung mataas or magbigay ng average salary. So, Australia is one of the highest average salary. 4 best features of Australia. So we have 4 best features or one of the best country in the world. So ang Australia po ay pumapangatlo sa pinakamataas na average salary. So ayan, yung Australia is pangatlo siya. So pag clinic po natin yung link na ito, ayan, makikita po natin dito, yung Australia is pangatlo siya sa pinakamataas na average salary. So, by the way guys or everyone, but if hindi nyo siya nakikita sa screen, you can search it, ayan, you can search it on your own. Also, kahit nasa bahay kayo, you can search it or you can have a legit check if totoo. So, yung link na yon, pwede kayong pumunta doon. So, ito, yung countries with the highest and lowest average salaries. So, ayan, pangatlo ang Australia sa pinakamataas na average or monthly net salary. So, nangunguna po yung Switzerland, pangalawa yung Singapore, and pangatlo yung Australia. So, ayan, nag-legit check po tayo. Then, yes, tama po na pangatlo nga po talaga ang Australia sa pinakamataas na average salary. So, here, second one, pangpito or number 7 best country in the world. So, ayan yung mga nasa www.usnews.com. Makikita po natin na pangpito or pangpito ang Australia sa pinaka-best country. So, you can search it on your own kahit nasa bahay kayo. Ayan, just click this link or just copy this link below. Then, you can search it on your own. Mag-legit check po kayo. So, pangatlo, number 9, best raise a family. So, pang-siyam po siya sa dito ang pinakamagandang manirahan or bumukod ng family. You know why? Because sa Australia, ang mga bata doon is libre ang pag-aaral. So, not like here in the Philippines, mostly sa private school, 'di ba? Nagbabayad tayo ng tuition fee a month or year. Sa Australia, libre ang pag-aaral doon, even colleges. Lalo na kung doon ka or na citizen ka, kaya mas magandang bumukod sa Australia. That's why number 9, uh, yung Australia sa best to raise a family. So, let's proceed. Number 27, safest country in the world. So, sa ating mga Pilipino, of course, 'di ba, kailangan din natin i-sure ang security ng country na pupuntahan natin. So, don't worry, kabilang pa din sa number 27, safest country in the world. So, kabilang sa safest country in the world ang Australia. So dito, sa part na ito, this is the job prospect or what are the current jobs in Australia. So here guys, ayan yung mga, pag clinic natin to, ayan yung mga highest paying jobs sa Australia 2024. So, pag may mga trabaho, paano mag-a-apply, 'di ba? So here, pag I'm so lazy to apply, pag tinatamad tayo mag-apply, like pupunta dito kasi sa Pilipinas, pupunta tayo sa office, HR, agency, ng pag-apply natin trabaho. Sa Australia, you don't have to worry because we have www.linkedin.com, so you can search it on your own kahit nasa bahay kayo, or you just use your cell phone, then just copy this link, www.linkedin.com. Dito guys, pwede kayo mag-apply ng, limbawa, may work na kayo or you have a target work na, you can search this, then pwede kayo mag-apply dito. Pag nag-apply, kailangan ng trabaho, di ba? Of course. So, how do I find a job? Saan tayo makakahanap ng trabaho? So, we have www.sick.com.au. Dito, sa sick.com, ina-advise namin siya mostly sa mga student visa holder once they have their visa granted. Sick.com.au can help you guys to find a job or seek a job. That's why it's www.sick.com.au. Dito, pwede kayo maghanap ng trabaho based or fit on your visa like a student visa holder. That's why dito makikita natin like kasi they have a requirement to meet makikita natin kung ano yung fit sa isang student visa holder. So ayan, may sick.com, then may linkedin.com na tutulong sa atin. Then equal opportunity, ano po yung mean ng equal opportunity? They have equal opportunity even though you're a female or you're a male, fit to work, as long as you are fit to work kahit anong trabaho, you are like hindi like dito sa Pilipinas mostly, 'di ba, nakikita natin like construction or like mga trabahong pang lalaki, bihira tayo makakita ng babae, right? But in Australia, kahit babae is nagtatrabaho sa construction or nagtutroso or like mga trabahong pang lalaki sa Australia is open siya for any gender. That's why they have equal opportunity. Here, school's location. So, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rates. So, here guys, hindi lang basta-basta school ang pinipili namin, but at the same time, schools na affordable and of course with one of the highest hourly rate para hindi mahirapan ng ating student. So, hinahanap namin yung affordable na at the same time may mataas na hourly rate. So, we have 4 major locations na may mga affordable school and may matataas na average salary. So, we have Sydney, we have Perth, we have Melbourne, and we have Parramatta. But, sa major cities na yan, ang pinakamarami or pinakamatataas na average one of the highest hourly rate, and of course, ay mga school kami na no show money, no IELTS, and of course affordable school. We have like pinakamarami is Parramatta, Australia. That's why yung Parramatta medyo sikat or famous because as of now, hindi nagre-required yung school na sa Parramatta ng show money in IELTS. That's why it's so easy to apply or to have your visa granted. So, here, let's proceed. For typical food expense, so I will show you the $25 a day meal. So, guys, if gusto nyo makatipid, kasi I know, lahat tayong Pilipino, matipid tayo, lalo-lalo na pag nasa ibang bansa tayo. Or, yes, mostly kasi minsan may mga student na nagtatrabaho din at the same time nagpapadala dito sa Pilipinas. That's why, here you can have the just $25 you can have one day meal. Here we have pizza if you like pizza. Yung pizza doon is medyo mura siya. So if you can order or you can go to nearest store or nearest pizza. For Uber Eats, pwede kayo mag-order. Like, mostly, mura lang din sila. And especially sa Coles, especially sa grocery in Coles, marami siyang Asian. Mostly, ang tatrabaho doon is Asia, Filipino. Kababayan natin din. Pag nag-grocery shopping kayo, shopping haul kayo doon, mostly makikita mo doon Filipino. Yes, because sa Coles is like parang pure gold or save more dito sa Pilipinas. And same with the grocery and Philo. So pwede kayo mag-order or pwede kayo pumunta sa nearest store. So, word of the day, the most effective way of changing the way we view the world. So, ayan yung ating word of the day or Accentrics word of the day. So here, let's proceed for typical jobs for students. So make a big impact with our professional sliding chart. So here, ito yung mga one of mga nakalista na fit siya for job for student visa holders. So you can apply as a housekeeper. Nasa sick.com.au pa din siya. Barista. You can apply it to sick.com pa din. Jobs and groceries, sick.com, nandiyan pa din siya. Childcare, lahat ng nasa mention sa screen is nasa sick.com. So, pwede kayo maghanap ng work doon. Then, once you find or you have a target work na as a student visa holder, you can apply to linkedin.com. So, ayan yung mga na-mention ko na work is typical na fit siya for a student visa holder. So, again, you can apply as a housekeeper, barista, jobs and grocery, and childcare. Once you are given a full-time working permit naman, you can look for a job for your profession. So, ito pag nabigyan ka na ng full-time working permit, pwede ka na maghanap ng work sa profession. Like office staff or temping, network engineer, assistant in nursing, and bookkeeping. All of the work that I mentioned is makikita po lahat yun sa sick.com.au. So, ito, yung na-mention ko sa pangalawang slide is, ito yung mga work na pwede na kayo once you are given a full-time working permit. So,